So how we doing? Homelite 1050, 100 cc's. Oh yeah. Now, this saw is 404 chain, and I don't own the stuff to sharpen 404 chain. This is the first saw I've ever gotten that had 404. So, you know, we're just gonna see how it runs anyway. So I'm not worried about how fast it's cutting or anything like that. I'm just kind of curious to see how it runs. I've never put this saw into wood, so we'll get an idea. I'm pretty suspicious of an air leak, so we'll find out. Let's get on with this and see what 100 cc Homelite can do in some wood. Alrighty? Well, that 1050 isn't running so hot, guys. I keep richening it up and it's still running like it's lean. So we got some sort of a serious air leak going on. It's got no power, no nothing. The bar is out of whack. She's trying to cut super crooked. I mean, there's so many issues that I'm not going to take it any further. At least we know it runs. And we'll get to see how it runs afterwards. But just for fun, what's a pull-in do compared to the Homelite? What do you think? All right, we'll save the comparison for later. This isn't a fair comparison today, so we'll just save that for later. Whenever that Homelite's running, you know, at its full performance, you know what I mean. It's just not a fair comparison. So we'll save that for later. Alrighty. Pretty sure we got air leak. I don't know where. We'll have to pressure test it and so forth. Figure it out. But we will. Hey, how you doing? So, got a box in the mail. TazMan sent me a saw. Needs worked on. It's got issues. And he decided to just go ahead and ship it over to me and let me see what I can do. So let's take a look and see what we got here. So let's take a look. Let's see what we got. This is a unique style of packaging. Super XL 130. Definitely got some issues internally. If I rotate the crankshaft, can you hear it? There's quite a bit of play in there. There's definitely some bottom end issues. Now he hasn't made up his mind yet, or he hasn't told me yet, if we're going to make this go fast. He might just want me to put this back to stock. We'll find out here in the future if he wants me to keep it stock. But we're definitely going to tear into this and take care of these issues. Probably going to need new bearings and so forth, but we'll see. I think I have all the spare parts I would need to get this thing up and going, so we should be fine. But this may just be a simple repair job. He might want me to port it. He might decide to go ahead and let's go fast, you know, do the go fast mods. But we'll leave that up to him. And he also has the option to port it, you know, similar to the one we already sent him, or to take it a little bit further than that. So he's got decisions to make, and we'll find out later down the road. Alrighty. So, alrighty. Later. Look at that sunset. Take a look at that star. See that one? That is not a star. That is the planet Venus. You can see it in the western sky at sunset. Now, if you live in the southern hemisphere, if you went right down here a little lower, you'd be able to see two other planets. Do you know what they are?